number of bands on the barrel. Die set selection can also be accomplished by consulting Burndy's compression connector catalog. The Y39 High Press provides features not found in competitive products. For example, the smallest head in the business, suitable for use in a 4x4 wireway, 180 degrees of head rotation, insulated body and handle, a rapid ram advance to quickly engage the connector, and a trigger release to return the ram to a preset position. Unlike competitive designs, Burndy's circular crimping system provides a smooth crimp, which eliminates the additional labor required to remove rough edges that may damage insulation. When preparing a cable, Burndy's connector barrels serve as a convenient guide to remove the proper amount of insulation. Once the cable is prepared, place the connector in the tool with the tongue perpendicular to the die movement. Rotate the handle clockwise to rapid advance the dies and grip the connector. When doing this, be sure that the connector is positioned to crimp directly on the colored bands. After inserting the cable fully into the connector, pump the handle to complete the operation. When the proper pressure is attained, the tool's pressure release valve will automatically blow off, producing an audible sound and sudden release of handle pressure. To remove the connector, rotate the handle one turn in the counterclockwise direction, then squeeze the trigger while closing the handle. For instant inspection, this installation system will emboss a die index number, which matches the number on the connector. If splices or aluminum connectors are being installed, the crimps are placed between the color-coded rings or knurlings. In addition to terminals and splices, the Y39 can also be used to crimp Burndy's full range of tap connectors as large as 500 to 500, both copper and aluminum. Whatever type of installation you require, Burndy has the tools to do the job efficiently. No other manufacturer matches Burndy's versatility in both die and die-less installation systems. Burndy connectors are engineered specifically to match the cable diameter, providing a solid, tight installation. Our comprehensive line of terminals and splices are made of tin-plated high-conductivity copper and feature seamless tubular construction with a beveled entry. The color-coded bands on the connector barrel indicate the position and the number of the crimps required for a proper installation. Burndy terminals also feature an extended transition, enabling you to insert all of the conductor strands past the crimp area for greater connection integrity. The high-dent line is comprehensive. It includes single-stud standard-length barrel terminals to accommodate copper conductors from number 8 through 750 MCM. These terminals require minimal space and cable preparation. The Burndy line provides for greater mounting stability with a range of terminals with two-hole mounting, including the popular two-hole NEMA standard. Burndy also provides for welding and other extra flexible stranded cables. The YA-LB series features a belled entry for ease of insertion. After installation, this design also prevents abrasion and possible strand damage or fraying. When crimped with a proper Burndy high tool, these connectors provide a UL and CSA listed installation rated at 600 volts. And with Burndy's superior tooling and marking system, your installations will be completed consistently at a lower installed cost. For heavy-duty and high-voltage applications, Burndy provides a complete line of long barrel terminals. These terminals feature a closed transition to minimize moisture entry and greater mechanical and electrical strength resulting from twice the crimping area. With a proper installation, these terminals are acceptable for 35,000 volt applications. Burndy's long barrel terminals are available in single-hole versions for copper conductors ranging from number 6 through 1,000 MCM. NEMA 2-hole and 4-hole versions are also available for conductors up to 2,000 MCM. As with our standard length terminals, the long barrel terminals are also color-coded and embossed for easy identification. As shown in the catalog, our long barrel terminals are installed with the same tools as our standard terminals. Burndy also builds a complete line of splices, including standard barrel splices to accommodate conductors up to 1,000 MCM. These splices are rated at 600 volts. We offer heavy-duty long barrel splices rated up to 5,000 volts, which accommodate conductors as large as 2,000 MCM. For welding cables and other extra flexible stranded conductors, Burndy provides a full range of belled entry splices also. Burndy produces high voltage splices with tapered ends to accommodate conductors up to 750 MCM and voltages up to 35 kV. These can also be supplied with a solid stop for use with oil-filled conductors. Because electrical projects use aluminum conductors as well as copper, Burndy engineers developed a complete line of aluminum terminals and splices, which can be installed with the same installation tools that we've been discussing. In addition, these connectors are rated for use on both aluminum and copper conductors. Although the installation is similar, we strongly recommend wire brushing the aluminum conductor to remove unwanted oxides. Burndy's aluminum connectors are made from seamless wrought aluminum, which is electro-tin plated to prevent corrosion. They are UL listed and clearly marked with the wire size, die index, the position and number of crimps required. Color-coded end caps are used to aid in selecting the proper installation die set. And all aluminum terminals and splices are pre-filled with Burndy's unique Penetrox compound to enhance conductivity and prevent oxidation. Burndy's aluminum terminals are available in single, plus 2 and 4-hole NEMA versions, covering the full range of number 12 through 2,000 MCM. We also provide a full range of standard splices, as well as tapered versions for high voltage applications. The Burndy compression product line is extensive. In addition to terminals, splices, and installation tools, we offer a broad scope of related products such as T-taps, reducing adapters, compression taps, and a full range of connectors for making parallel and tap compression connections in risers and gutters. In addition, Burndy provides adapters for reliable termination of aluminum conductor in mechanical connectors. Burndy also has a complete line of small compression connectors for use in control circuits requiring number 22 through number 10 gauge wires. When you consider the range of compression connectors and mechanical connectors that we produce, no single manufacturer offers a connector line to match the scope and breadth of the Burndy product line. Make Burndy your one connector source. Quality connections at a lower installed cost will be your reward. Grounding, a conducting connection, whether intentional or accidental, by which an electric circuit or equipment is connected to the earth. Effective grounding is necessary to permit the proper and efficient operation of much of today's equipment. In many applications, the ground or grounding system may actually do nothing during normal operation. However, in the event of a malfunction or fault current, the grounding system provides the means to return the fault current safely to the earth. Today's requirements and the extensive networking of power systems require switching equipment to deal with greater fault currents than ever before. As a result, newer regulatory specifications have been imposed to govern the grounding system design as well as the interconnection system used. Connections must now provide greater conductivity, operate under more hostile conditions, and continue to do this over a greater lifespan. Burndy Corporation, the pioneer and leader in compression technology, has developed a ground system which